Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set watermark in Gold Docs. So get ready started. At first open your Gold Docs document. In this video, I will show set watermark in Gold Docs. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for watermark option. Now select, then we show the interface, then watermark from image and text. Now select from text option. Now insert from text. Now type a text, then already select from type from text, then formatting from any text, any font style. Now now select from any size font and click for bold. Now click for OK. Done. That it's now you can see set watermark in Gold Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.